In the last three lessons, we learned the 6 long vowels, that is A, O, A, A, and E and U. Now we are going to learn the 6 short vowels A, E, I, O, U, and U. These are the shorter forms, like A in bat, bat, and A in bet, okay, and I in bit, and A in O sound should come as A, मतलब as a lock A, and U should come as A, luck, and U sound only U, that is look. Okay, there are bat, bet, bit, lock, luck, and look. These are the 6 short vowels. All the dots will be light one, and all the dash should be light one. Light dot and a light dash. They are represented by light dot and a light dash depending on the position of the vowel. That is, here it comes A, here it comes A, here it comes I, the E. Here it comes A, it comes A, it comes U. Okay, and now long vowel and short vowel, what is the difference? Bell, 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 and bell. Here heavy dot, here light dot. Raid, heavy dot, red, light dot. In the same manner, date, heavy dot, det, light dot. Det, date, bell, bale, raid, and this is red. Bale, heavy dot, bell, light dot, date, heavy dot, det, light dot, raid, heavy dot, red, light dot. Fade, heavy dot, fed, light dot. Okay. Robe, heavy dash, rub, light dash. Keel, heavy dot, kill, light dot. So these are the long and short vowels. Okay, in the same manner, palm, pack, bake, back, cull, कल मतलब ये heavy dot आ गया, so you can take it as coal, and this is light dash, कल. Pool, pull, u. So u and u, a and a and a and a, o and a sound ही आएगा रब में, a, rob, rub. In the same manner, kill, e, and here kill, I. These sounds they are coming. You need to practice to find out how to write long and short vowel words without any mistakes. And thereafter you have to practice. So many exercises are there. 17. Exercise number 17, read, copy and transcribe exercise. And thereafter exercise 18, write in shorthand मतलब बोल रहा है, you have to do it. And thereafter he has given some gram lags. What are the gram lags he has given? Gram lags. What are they? If this is the line, if S is written, F is written above the line, if F is written through the line, it is if. And if V is written on the line, it is have. And TH मतलब it is given above the line, thanked, thank, and thanked also. And if the same thing is written on the line, it is think. It is think. If the same TH is written through the line, it is youth. And the मतलब heavy one, if written above the line, it is though. If the is written on the line, it is them or they. So up till now you are writing they as they like this. Now no need to place vowel for it. Heavy one, the on the line is they. And thereafter exercise 19 is given, read, copy and transcribe, and 20 is also there, write in shorthand. You have to practice each exercise at least 3 days to master the strokes and comprehend the vowels. Now we are going to read written on the board. First one, pack the bag and take it to the gig at 4. And third one is, take the money and buy a jar of ink. Fourth one is, they may all go to the dock and see the ship off. ऑफ में हम स्ट्रोक एफ और उसका पहले आ का ओवेल लगा दिया था बिकॉज ओवेल इज प्रेसिडिंग एफ. एंड देयर आफ्टर सेंटेंस नंबर 11, may they take a share of the sherry to poor Jim King. Jim King is name of the person. So 12th sentence, they go by the ship Carrie. Carrie is the name of the ship, and they hope to be back by the 4th of March. In exercise number 19, he has given some shorthand outlines. Now I am going to read some of the transcripted sentences, like in number 1 sentence. Look, read ought to be off by 8. Look and read is the name of the person. And second sentence is, he should catch the coach at the village and be on the ship by 4. देखो आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए कैसे दे रहा है, कैच एंड कोच, कैच अबव द लाइन, कोच ऑन द लाइन, वोवेल इज डिफरेंट. पोजीशन राइटिंग आपको सिखाने के लिए ही इज फ्रेमिंग सच टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस इन द एक्सरसाइजेस दैट यू नीड टू टेक नोट ऑफ. एंड इन द सेम वे, सेंटेंस नंबर 6, आस्क टॉम रोली टू गो एंड थैंक देम. टॉम रोली इज द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन. सो उसका भी हमने इंडिकेशन देखा था उसमें शॉर्ट हैंड आउटलाइंस में, दैट यू नीड टू ऑब्जर्व. In exercise number 20, he has given some sentences in English. Now we are going to read some sentences already written on the board in shorthand. They think, sentence number 1, they think they may have to go to the bank
and cash a check to pay the youth the money. See how many grammars are there in this sentence. They think, they may have to go to the and a to the youth the इतना ग्रामलाक्स है इस सेंटेंस में. So 80% are grammars only in this sentence. And thereafter exercise number 20 में third sentence है. Though they go out on the 10th, they may come back by an early mail. Here also so many grammars are there. Though they go out on the, they may come by an, इतना मतलब वो है. Almost 70% are grammars. In the same way, I am going to read sentence number 6, which has already been written in shorthand on the board. He came back to them by, he came back to them a month ago. इसमें भी ऐसा है. He is a grammar, to is a grammar, them is a grammar, a is a grammar, ago is a grammar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are grammars in a sentence which has only 10 words. So almost 50% are grammars. He is framing the exercises in such a way to test your knowledge of grammars also. Therefore, as suggested earlier also, you keep on practicing the grammars daily without any break. This is enough for this day. We will meet again in the next few days with a new video. Keep on practicing. Important note: don't try to remember the strokes without practicing. Practice, practice, and practice. There is no other way to learn and master stenography.